Welcome to your Microsoft PowerPoint learning journey. Today's topic is: how do you open, save as, and close presentations? So, let's switch to your Microsoft Windows desktop and get started. On the Windows desktop, click the Microsoft PowerPoint icon to open Microsoft PowerPoint. When PowerPoint opens, the Start screen appears. You can select a presentation from the recent list, which displays the presentations you've recently worked on. Or, click Open. Browse to the folder where your presentation file is saved. Select the file, and then click Open. Your presentation will open and be ready for editing. That's how you open an existing presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. There are several other ways to open a presentation. For example, if you have a PowerPoint presentation saved in a folder on your desktop, simply double-click the presentation file. It will automatically open in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now let's save your presentation. If this is your first time saving the file, click File, then Save. Choose where you'd like to save it, such as your computer or OneDrive. Type a meaningful file name and click Save. After the first save, simply press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac whenever you make changes. Sometimes you'll want to keep the original presentation and create a new version. Select File, then Save As. Choose a new location if needed, type a different file name, and click Save. This creates a separate copy while leaving the original presentation unchanged. This is how you save another copy of a presentation using the Save As command. When you've finished working, it's important to close your presentation correctly. First, save any changes you've made. Then, click the File tab and choose Close. The current presentation will close, but Microsoft PowerPoint will remain open. There are several other ways to close a presentation. To reopen the same presentation, click the File tab and select it from the Recent Presentations list. You can also click the X button in the upper right corner of the presentation window. If only one presentation is open, this will close both the presentation and Microsoft PowerPoint, returning you to the Windows desktop. Now, open the same PowerPoint presentation again by double-clicking the presentation file. Type a few words anywhere on the slide, and then try to close the presentation. Because you made changes that haven't been saved, PowerPoint will display a message asking what you want to do with the unsaved changes. Choose Save to save your changes before closing, don't save to close without saving your changes, or cancel to return to the presentation and continue working. This feature helps prevent you from accidentally losing your work. That's how you open, save another copy using Save As, and close presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next lesson.